LG fails. LG fails. LG fails. Hey guys, I'm here back with new video, and in this video let us talk about LG marketing. So LG G70Q. You might have not heard about this smartphone, some of you, because LG failed in marketing. So let us talk about the specifications of the LG G70Q. It has wireless charging, it has IP68 water and dust resistant, it has Snapdragon 845, it has 2K display, and it was priced at 39,990. Yes, that means a flagship under 40,000. This is the price where we get OnePlus smartphones. We call them as flagship killers. But we are getting a true flagship under 40,000 at this price range. But many of the people are not considering the LG G70 smartphone because there is one reason: marketing failure. Every brand in the market concentrate on the marketing. Some brands spend money by putting a lot of ads everywhere, and some brands use social media for marketing. But LG fails in these two. So according to my opinion, LG completely failed in marketing of LG G70 smartphone. You know, marketing can bring a best sales for their product. For example, let us take Oppo and Vivo. They completely concentrate on the ads. Yes, marketing. So that's why even their devices were not good enough. The sales of those devices were good enough. And recently we had a lot about Lenovo Z5. Yes, a smartphone was rumored to come with full screen like Oppo Find X, but later it came with a notch and expectations were inverted. But it created a lot of hype in the market. Every YouTuber, every blogger has concentrated on the Lenovo Z5 because it created a lot of hype in the market. They grabbed the attention of the people to their product. This is what called hype. So creating hype will make your product reach for more people. And coming to the video, LG fails in these two segments, both in marketing and both in creating hype. So under 40,000, if I had a chance to pick one phone, I will go for the LG G70Q because it has true flagship than the OnePlus smartphones. Because OnePlus smartphones are commonly called as flagship killers, but I am getting a true flagship under 40,000. But many people are considering OnePlus smartphone because marketing failure of LG G70Q. So I hope LG will concentrate in marketing. So this is the overall video. Hope you like this video. And before ending the video, we have a blog called We May Do in